ladies and gentlemen, Blind Melon.
You guys wanna go play outside? You wanna go play outside? Go ahead.
It actually feels nice out there.
Yeah. It's a nice summer rain, but it's just boring. Come on, Tiffy. You wanna go play outside? Yeah, that's what I thought. Was that a flash or was that lightning?
That was lightning.
Holy mackerel, look at the parking lot. Oh, now comes the hail.
Gotta love the mountains. Anything's possible here. Even sudden lightning, rain, hailstorm on a bright, sunny, beautiful day.
Not anymore.
Can I just approve your reward?
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
Rat-a-tat.
Is that comfortable? Look at Louie right behind you.
What's up, Rita?
Are you comfy?
Yeah, extremely.
You know what? I kind of envy you though, because if that were, you know, if I were in your position, I could not get up.
You probably puking up all your major internal organs.
That's a pretty visual.
When I was a kid, I heard if you hold a shark upside down, the guts fall out of his mouth. Do you think that's true?
No. I don't.
No.
Okay, okay, well you go outside and get me a shark and we'll see.
There could be one swimming around out there.
Yeah, in the parking lot.
That's much moisture. We have such a weird kid.
Yeah, we are.
I'm sorry we made you so weird, kid. We meant it in the best possible way.
What else do you want to get here, right? Or it could be black widows. Actually, it's Christmas.